In this video, I will show you how to write Epsilon symbol in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. The method is same. Any version you are using Microsoft Office, you can write this symbol easily. Just click on Insert, then Equation. And here guys, in this third line, you will see this symbol Epsilon. Select it, and this one Epsilon variant. Pair Epsilon and this one Epsilon, and there is the method you can write this one using slash. Type here slash, type here slash, and type here and press space bar one time. So just slash and type here this text and press space bar. That's it. So thanks for watching.